Ever bought something cool on a platform like Etsy or Fiverr? How about selling your own crafts or services? These online marketplaces connect buyers and sellers seamlessly, but there's a whole infrastructure behind the scenes that keeps the money flowing smoothly. That's where companies like Lemonway come in. Lemonway is a pan-European payment institution that acts as the financial backbone for marketplaces, B2B platforms, and even alternative financing solutions. They handle secure transactions, manage wallets, and ensure everything complies with complex European regulations. But who's the mastermind behind this financial powerhouse? The visionary at the helm, Antoine Orsini. Lemonway's CEO is the driven and innovative Antoine Orsini. His vision has been instrumental in shaping Lemonway into the leading force it is today. Orsini isn't just some suit who stumbled into fintech. He's a true entrepreneur who saw a gap in the market and had the passion and know-how to fill it. While details about his background before Lemonway are a little scarce, we can find glimpses of his drive and strategic thinking in various Lemonway press releases. In a 2019 announcement about a major funding round, Orsini emphasizes their focus on evolving products and expanding their footprint across Europe. This forward-thinking approach is evident in their recent partnerships with major players like Société Générale. Steering the ship, Orsini's leadership. Orsini's leadership style seems to prioritize growth and building a strong team. Press releases highlight their commitment to hiring new talent and expanding their offerings to meet the needs of a booming marketplace sector. This focus on people and innovation is likely a key factor behind Lemonway's impressive financial performance. Recent news highlights the company doubling its revenue in 2023 and achieving profitability. Beyond the CEO, the Lemonway team. Of course, Orsini isn't a one-man show. Lemonway boasts a strong board of directors, with co-founder Damien Germanprez serving as executive chairman. This combined leadership likely brings a wealth of experience and expertise to the table. The future of Lemonway. With a visionary CEO at the helm, a skilled team backing him up, and a booming marketplace industry to fuel their growth, Lemonway seems poised for continued success. Their commitment to regulatory compliance, innovation, and building strong partnerships positions them as a major player in the European fintech landscape, keeping the money flowing smoothly. So, there you have it. Antoine Orsini is the CEO leading the charge at Lemonway. His leadership and vision ensure a secure and efficient financial experience for countless online marketplaces and their users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.